With just a few simple touches, you can easily bring your vectors to life. In this video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to animate your vectors in Adobe After Effects. Before we get started, I want to sincerely thank all our Patreon supporters for keeping this channel going. If you'd like to support us as well, you can visit our Patreon through the link in the description. I separated this meteor I drew in Illustrator into layers and named each layer properly so everything stays organized while animating. This vector is available in our Patreon shop, and you can find the link in the description. Patreon members can download it for free and use it in their own projects. After separating the parts you want to animate into layers, we move over to Adobe After Effects. We start by selecting New Composition. After giving our composition a name, we adjust the necessary settings such as the size, video duration, and background color. Once everything is set, we click OK. I kept all the settings at their default values. Next, we right-click in the same panel and import our file. Here's an important step to pay attention to. After selecting the file, change the Import As option from Footage to Composition Retain Layer Sizes. Otherwise, the layers will not be imported separately. We drag the imported file down into the timeline and our vector will appear on the screen. Then double-click the file in the timeline to reveal all the layers. At this point, make sure to enable the same option I'm using on all layers. Otherwise, the visual quality of your animation may appear lower. Next, we select the layer we want to animate and search for the ripple effect in the effects panel. If the effects panel is not visible on your screen, go to Window and enable it from there. Then drag the ripple effect and drop it onto the selected layer. Once applied, the ripple effect settings will become active. The first thing I do, as you see here, is define the object's center point, because the motion will be based on that position. From these settings, you can adjust the intensity, speed, and overall feel of the movement to match your preference. I fine-tune the values according to the look I want to achieve, and you can simply follow along. After that, I apply the ripple effect separately to the other objects and adjust their settings one by one as well. Since the other objects are smaller than the first one, the settings can be different for each of them. I tested and adjusted the values individually until they felt right. Just make sure you don't forget to set the center point for every object before fine-tuning the motion. By the way, our regular viewers may have noticed that the channel was hacked recently, and for a while hackers were posting spam content and starting unauthorized live streams. It was a very difficult period for us, but despite everything, we managed to recover the channel and come back stronger than ever. Don't forget to support the channel on Patreon. Your support helps us create higher quality content and keep moving forward. After applying the ripple effect to the last object, we'll add a subtle movement to the meteor itself using a different effect to achieve a more natural look. If you've watched the video up to this point, don't forget to like the video. This really helps similar tutorials reach more people. Finally, we select the meteor layer and search for the wiggle effect again in the effects panel. We drag and drop this effect onto the meteor layer and its settings will appear. Here we adjust the intensity and speed of the movement. By testing different values, you can achieve a more natural and organic motion. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video. When you do, YouTube understands that you want to see more helpful content like this and shows you similar videos. Also, don't forget to support us on Patreon through the link in the description.